Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Work Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2011 Case SR220 rubber tired skid steer loader. This is an all hand controls machine. It is the manual style control where it actually has cables going or a linkage going to it instead of electric over hydraulic, which is good. It is a high flow machine, really in nice condition. It has 2-speed ride control, nice clean original skid steer. 2,932 hours, I believe is what's on it. All lights work, well taken care of. The machine had to have been kept in. The paint actually is beaten up. We actually did wax it, but I mean, it's a nice straight machine. Start you back here at the engine compartment. Take you around this machine. Back here in the back, powered by a Case 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. And according to Case's website, I believe these are 82 horsepower. Machine has no blow-by, which we had pulled the dipstick while it was running in the pictures to show you. We'll show you engine oil here. We did service it. Look how clean it is. We bought factory Case hydraulic filter and put on right here. We did service it. Again, all filters, fluids are changed. We did treat the fuel for winter time. We guarantee at 110% there that we did service it and get through it, okay? Not a brand new machine, but it's not a piece of junk whatsoever. I mean, it's a nice, clean machine. Now, we did put a brand new Napa battery in it right here. It does have a master switch. Lockable top lid. As far as the side pillars are nice and straight, there's one dent over here I forgot to mention. We did point out in the pictures a dent right there. Everybody to see that. Coming around, tires are going to be all 65%, I'd say. 60, let's call them 60%. 12-16.5 severe duties, made by BKT. They are a tire that you're going to use like a Hulk tire on hard access areas, or like, you know, in blacktop concrete, that kind of area. Still work good for in the snow. It does have ride control, which means it has nitrogen block at the back of your cylinders for carrying heavy loads where it'll float the boom. It does have the corner headlight package on it. Has a very good 72-inch bucket with bolt-on cutting edge. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. All pins and bushings are still in very good condition. If this machine showed 1,000 hours, I would believe it, but it is 2893, I believe, or 2892. I'll show you that here in a second. 14-pin attachment control device. It is high flow. They used the high flow with an asphalt planing mill. There is one coupler here that they did not use on their particular mill, but it is a 5-port system. This side matches up with the other side. Boom and loader arms are in good condition, straight. Cab is straight. There's no aftermarket welding. We'll show you inside the cab here real quick. There's a couple cracks here in the seat. Coming inside, you have your functions here for the 2939. I stand corrected. 2939 on the hours. You have your functions here for the 14-pin. You have your 2-speed button here. You have your auxiliary hydraulics, park brake, and then on this side here's your ride control button. Okay, so 2939 on the hours. Key switches up here. Headlights, throttle, foot throttle, high flow, auto level bucket. 2-speed is up here. It'll light up. We'll show you all that works. Emergency lowering valve. We had the cab forward to do our service work. Everything underneath the cab is very nice and clean. So I'm going to go ahead, fire this machine up, and we'll show you what everything's supposed to do. can see there from the video, and again, I apologize about it raining today. We're just doing a kind of a quick demonstration. We did a couple today, and it's just getting kind of miserable. We're going to have freezing rain here today, but it is December. So, machine is in good running, working condition. I had set the seat and didn't cycle my lap bar. That's why I didn't get the push the operate button to work right, so I had to cycle my seat bar. Machine works good, can't find a single thing wrong with it. 2-speed, ride control, we've showed you everything there works. If you want to come by and see this machine yourself in person, I have nothing to hide. You're more than welcome to do so. You can come, run it, put it in the stone pile, I don't care. We're not hiding anything. We have serviced it, I know what it is. I feel I've priced it very reasonable in the market. So if you have any questions on this machine or want to see it in person, 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. And as I tell people, my dad's been in business here 36 years. This machine's located right here at 18563 Bun Mountain Road, Saxton, Pennsylvania, 16678. We aren't out to hurt anybody, fool anybody, or screw anybody. We are honest people, and that's why we take the time to do these videos and show you everything about the machine. We go above and beyond what most people do online, and I feel that's how it should be done. So, any questions, again, 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a good day.